Welcome to DIY Gourmet Breakfast Recipes. Today we've got a 2-egg omelet with a simple flip fold. What we're going to do is start by cracking 2 eggs into a small dish so that we might scramble them within. Here comes the second egg, and we'll proceed. After that, we'll get ourselves a nice fork with which to mix it. And in doing so, we're going to make sure we mix thoroughly, because we do not want to have too much of the white and the yellow in between the eggs. We want it all to look nice and blonde and mixed up when it's time to go to the pan. So we've got it on extra super speed right there going through, and what we're going to do now is put a little bit of that good old mushroom oat milk inside, because what that's going to do is lighten it up just a tad and give it a little bit of extra fluff. Kiddo approved. And so we mix that in, and in the meantime we're going to be preheating a pan on medium-low heat, and then we're going to put about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or oil of your choice. This happens to be sunflower oil infused with garlic. And then from there, we are going to spread it around the pan, move it around so that it goes everywhere and evenly onto the pan, so that when we put the egg onto it, it goes down with a nice sizzle and doesn't get caught on the bottom, because even with the non-stick pans, you want to make sure and use a nice hot heat. So we pour that egg in and you hear that sizzle right away. Now, as you can see, it's creating a layer in between the pan and the oil. The oil is acting as a buffer in between the egg and the pan. And what that does is gives us the ability to swirl it around and not have to use the spatula so much. Now, what that does is it allows it to cook fast. But you have to make sure that you get it together with the rest of it so that it doesn't turn into stringy scrambled eggs, which it can do very easily if you're not paying attention. And with this being a quick omelet, you're going to do a flip once, and then a flip second, and then you're going to lower the heat just a tad as you finish it off right there and let it bake itself inside. Throw a little salt on the top when you're ready and you'll be good to go. After that, you can transfer it into a plate or a bowl, however you prefer to use it. Now, make sure that the plate is long enough, because as you can see here, as it comes onto the plate, it's going to be just a hair too long. I mean, nonetheless delicious, but make sure it's properly sized. And that is a quick 3-fold omelet by the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe and like if you happen to like. Thanks for watching.